everyone. In today's trading, we received two signals in Bank Nifty. The first signal was a sell week signal at 11:15 a.m. and the second signal was a buy week signal at 11:20 a.m. Right after the first signal's candle, as per our strategy, we didn't execute the trade for the first signal because we received the second signal right after. And we follow the rule of waiting for the next candle to close before taking a trade. Therefore, we took the trade for the second signal. After the signal, we waited for the next candle to close and then bought the 45,700 CD ATM option at 11:25 a.m. for 110 rupees. We set a stop loss of 20 points, which is 90 rupees, and started trailing our stop loss until we received the book profit signal. The indicator also has a criterion to help us book profit, and if the book profit signal occurs, it indicates that the market may change its direction. At 1:30 p.m., during the closing of that candle, we booked the profit at the price of 300. By the end of the day, we had booked a profit at almost a 1:10 ratio, resulting in a 173% gain over our capital. For more trades like this, please check our indicator for regular updates. If you find this information helpful, kindly like and subscribe to our channel.